at this bird. Like, he literally right here by me. I don't know if I should run or what. I think I'm just gonna sit here. I don't know what he on. He got a little pocket knife on me. But I don't know. I got a couple of lighters in my pocket too. His ass better gone. Maybe he just chilling. I don't know. He must be like, folks, why you at my crib? Bro, get back. You too close. Yeah, you better go. Go ahead, bro. I don't want no smoke. I'm good. And I know he's looking at me. And I'm looking at him. It's crazy, right? And I don't be that close to wildlife like that because I respect it. I know wildlife would gotta defend itself. It'll probably attack me if I got too close. Right now, I must not feel like I'm a threat or something because it's just like, it's just checking me out, kind of. Gone, man. Gone, bro. You getting too close. Your ass back now. I'm out here got drama with a chicken. Damn, all this traffic out here. You better be lucky. Fry his little ass tonight. I'm gonna move around, bro, because I don't know what you really on. You just came over here and started just hanging out with me. Like, I don't know why. I don't got no snacks or nothing on me. Otherwise, I'll feed him, then he'd be my friend for now. Shit, I know he can fly. I seen him. He landed right here in front of me. That's what made me start recording. Like, he was like right there. I was like, oh shit, you just gonna stand here and watch me? I don't know what kind of sound he make, but I don't know what is it a pigeon? Or a seagull? He got red eyes. Well, he out of here now. He said, oh, I'll holler. That was crazy, right? I ain't never just had a bird just, you know what I'm saying? Just sit up that close to me. He tripping. Shit, I see crazy shit all the time.